let's just unpack on the Real Housewives of Durban with their drama. I believe say drama, the new ones, and I thought they wouldn't. We do Nonku in the center, busy staring situations there. I'm just like, what? Angifuni ukungasho, guys. Have you noticed ukuthi uJojo sometimes akanayo i-backbone, like to a point where she wants to lean on Nonku. If Nonku doesn't like something, no Jojo is like, I also don't like it because Nonku was like, do you like the new girls? Jojo was like, yeah, I do. And then she would be vibing with one twin. And then, but I guess she had said Jojo Velo on episode 1, I met Ayanda, I think in a way, she was brought by Jojo to them group. One of the twins, obviously, that we know. I think the other one just came because the other one is on the show. But I'm just like, Unonku no Jojo relationship is like so crazy. So Unonku, because she always has conflict with people, and then Jojo is like, okay, then we'll go with whatever you want. Really, guys? Okay, guys, you must be your own person. You can't when it's not right. And you do realize Jojo can be her own person, and then so that she can actually have other proper relationships with other people in her life instead of always leaning, or should I say, always being a cheerleader. But they always their own cheerleaders, like, but they like cheering on each other. It's like so childish, guys. In another level I've never seen. I'm like, why? Why in life over when? And be a complete person on your own, you know? There's a point where they were just sitting, and then Lorraine wanted to address lento kaNonku yokufika late at the event and all of that. Amazi kuNonku uzobe so ama-twins Andile no-Ayanda wanted to just find out it's okay, this is a story, this is what happened at the event. I mean, I guess Andile also wasn't really there. Ayanda Dadwabo was there. So they are just talking about it. Tigulo is like, Lucisto came fashionably late at my event. How rude. And and then she went on to say, hi, Unonku akekho right. That's just disrespectful to come at people's event. Remember, guys, I did say, I'm not the type, I'm never really late, for anything. And I can't stand it when you are late, because it's just like, umbuka kanjani ngantweni, ukubona loo nto le. So Nonku is like, you ask me, do you know me? I'm Nonku International. She goes on like that. I mean, I also feel like Ulo didn't want to get to know Nonku. She just went straight to wanting to fight with her, without getting to know her. Nonku is actually not that bad once you get to know her. Tinesmazi Nonku, I think got season 2, to be honest with you. She wasn't on season 1. Kokono Ayanda lapho ku-season 1 njengoba eseqhamuka yena ku-season 2, and then baclash, and I was like, hey, I'm done with this girl. Bye, ngoba phela vele banobaby father oyedwa, no, and umuntu usuka kude ne-Real Housewives of Durban kunini. And then Nonku comes up with some story ukuthi anyhow wena ngizwe kuthiwa indoda yakho iyachitha ngibona ku-TikTok. Guys, you can't be saying those things ku-TikTok. Ngeke. Yebo, we were also shown ukuthi indoda ifuna ukuthatha unkosikazi wesibili, not cheating. And then usisi was like, I know, mase ususole kahle story ke, we can talk about that again. I was like, now his sisters wamophoqa uNonku kwathuleka. I'm like, why is Nonku in people's ndabas like that though? But at the same time, we need the drama. Sizoba bored. So the ladies were laughing, yo. She was actually asking Fafa, and then Angel was like, oh, the way I like Fafa, I don't need this. I don't want Nonku to be asking her these things. Ngiyamthanda uFafa mina. Nonku, how could she even get off asking Fafa these things? Oh my word. And it was better how Ayanda asked Fafa on the side. Hayi ukuthi uNonku ambuze phambi kwabantu. Some people don't like that. I'm actually one of those people, in fact. Yeah. Manje kuba sengathi ubukisa ngami. What are you trying to prove? Ufuna ukubukwa ngami, like, what's going on there? Ukubona lo nto uNonku, she's just getting out of hand, actually. uNonku uyakhumbula na last week, if ufika late guys but you still have a mouth, pere bayakutshela ukuthi ufike late, uzobe ubatshela ngengubo yakho ka-150,000, some Roberta Cavalli of your dress, like, oh my gosh, like, befanele kwenzakalini ngoba noma ayibo. Her ego, guys, is in another level this season, but she's always been like that though. Uyamazi-ke uSurisha, she always goes out when she does events. The money there just shows. The show off is like in another level. Ayibo, that event, but her events are always on point. Yeah, no, that event, we took it to another level, and then the cars that they came in Mhlambe, chances are those cars are Fafa's cars. Didn't Fafa say that she has a hiring company or something like that? Yeah, I think those are her cars, but those were hired. I mean, you can tell the cars that they came in. Yeah, they definitely hired those. I don't know, guys, what's your take on those cars, but yeah. And ikhona nje lento kaNonku nje yokuvele abe petty and then ehlehlahleni nje and just ask questions sizothi haphazardly. Cause how am I going to put it really? I just want to mention ukuthi I'm not sure if Ulo likes Nonku. I think Ulo ufike naye ngale nto ukuthi abo lo ngiyamazi vele kule show bekubukwa yena sengifikile-ke mina and ngizombonisa. You know the thing, I don't know ngathi bambe ngenye approach usisi lo, but let's just see how they get along as time goes on. Going forward, let's just see. Ngoba chances are basazoclasha. Ulo phela uyokhuluma. Ulo, you remember last week I even said typo for pastor's wife. I'm like, ayibo, pastor uzothini endlini? Kubulo just goes off, eh? Oh, she goes crazy. I'm just like, ayibo sisi, you need to calm down. But angazi mhlambe sizosibonisa that side of her. I haven't seen it. Ngivele ngabona nje umuntu ovele nje abegalebuleni like yini hey yabona ukuthi kanjani kuNonku. I'm just like, no sis, chances are you will change. I don't know. Let's go back to the story of Nonku busy asking Fafa about her ndabazi and her husband Kambe Namanga about TikTok, and then Fafa is busy saying that, listen, yeah, I don't even have TikTok, man, and the time. Me and my husband don't have TikTok. Jojo was like, Nonku doesn't even have TikTok. She was saying on the side though, she didn't tell the ladies. Angel is like, you know what, I like Fafa ngengisoze ngaze ngakhuluma kabi ngoFafa enkulu. And ngiyayazi le ndaba yendoda yaFafa, but I can't ask it because I like it. Even if Angel knew about Fafa's husband's situation, she was going to tell Fafa on the side because they have that relationship. And in a way, I think Fafa was actually brought here on this group by Angel. Mese kuzoba ilo DJ umini that came that works for Ikakasi FM, and it turns out she's actually friends with Angel, who sisters. She was also there at Lauren's event where you MC lapho sisters. Mese kuzoba is this Nigerian lady called Precious. So Precious has a hair, a certain hair line for this at this point, because she has a business hair, right? And then I just feel good to Precious has been in South Africa for quite some time, and she's trying so hard to be a South African, trying to get rid of the accent. I'm a Nigerian. I'm just like, Sissy, please calm down. Please. Zincede uhlisi. She talks nalo Precious. So Precious-ke ngathi unenkinga nomini lo usisi lwaseGagasi FM DJ, ngathi bake bazama business together, it didn't end well. Kwaba khona ungezwani. So now Precious wants Angel to model inwele zakhe. Ngiyacabanga ku-Instagram or whatever. So she's gonna be wearing Precious's hair basically. So we're gonna see her, I'm sure. So it's okay. Angel, konke inwele zika Precious manje. Or she's gonna tell us, ngiyacabanga. We will see. And then Angel atshela umina ngathi vele umini lo kweGagasi FM umngani ka-Angel anyways. Amtshela nango Precious bese esethi angisebenzi naye, in what do you think? Athi umini phuma uphele lapho. Loyo book abantu abacomplainayo ngayo. I'm not even talking ngangihlanye. Naba abantu abacomplain, they always complaining about her. But if you want to work with her, please do, sissy. Yeah. But don't come back running, crying to me. But loyo, very hard to work with. So Sorisha was like, you know what, guys, let's not do the games. The games, guys, is because ezinye azikho right. Like it happened at Zama's 40th. It didn't end well. And uZama manje was now ehlukumeza abantu at that event. So people were like, So people don't like games. So she was like, okay, let's just change and do something different. As dancing, so if you want to gonna teach us how to dance, some type of dance, you know. Sorry, Shania, she comes later to the event. How rude. Ngeke. But people were not angry, which was surprising. I was just like, that's just out there. This thing of yours of coming late. It's so unlike you also. Nango kunonku esenza uJojo ikati lakhe esethi, "When can you just finish my chicken?" Guys, is there anything like that? But how rude can you be? If you can't finish your chicken, just shut your mouth and just put it aside. Why would you be telling people to badelela ukudla kwakho? Utshela uJojo at the time. Khona-ke sekuthiwa uJojo Snoopy wakho. And then kumini-ke sekuthulekile etafuleni, and she starts to ask questions like, okay, so as women, nje, what do you find difficult if you have a business and all of this? I know Jojo doesn't like those serious conversations. Goba uJojo normally, most of the stuff is taken care by Bube, uKevin wakhe. And uKevin has told her before, good sisi, njengoba wenza ama-paintings amahle kanje, we need to use them now. They must pay us those paintings now. And uJojo is not that person. She likes playing uJojo. It's like a baby, uJojo. Guys, uthanda ukudlala akazazi izinto eziserious. And the reason why Umini is asking about these questions is businesses and stuff like that is because ufuna ukuya kuleya nto yokuthi me and Precious, guys, niyazini ukuthi it didn't end well between us. Sixabaniswa into zama-business. So this is how I'm gonna put these questions to the ladies. And then it also turns out ukuthi Umini is asking this question because ufila sengathi uPrecious treats ama-employees akhe kabi, uyabaskrimela, awenze all sorts of things. And then uNonku comes up with the story ukuthi she was scammed. It's not the first time, and uNonku, uyambona even how they had that ultimatum in Jamaica ukuthi she's now on the lookout for men, especially. I think a man did scam me imali yakhe. I'm just like, you gave that man the man. Mind you, should say work scam. That wasn't business, guys. That's something else. She's like, I was scammed. And uyazi angithi ukuthi uNonku ukhuluma ngo-RD. Cabanga, uRD wathi angaze ngisanganela lowo muntu loyo. Angikaze ngithathe imali yalowo muntu. Instead lowo muntu akasebenzisa imali, wayithi uma ngabe ethola imali kulama construction wakhe ayisebenzise haphazardly imali mina bengimnikeza imali. Nonku, akumlive said it on on season 4, where I said, Nonku, there's this thing apparently about it, ukuthi akakwazi ukusebenzisa imali. Mayithole imali like some tender of some sort, here is the amount of money, here's the project. Qala idle, qala enze into zakhe. This is why she was wearing that dress, Roberta Cavalli dress for 150,000. By the look of things, Min is going to be busy with the Precious, confronting her. Kuzobonakala manje ku-next episode ufuna ukuba busy naye, yeah, and amhlambalaze and embarrass her in front of these other ladies ukuthi bolo njengoba nimbona ningenza iplane naye, and u-Angel can't do business with her, but Precious is escaping off a skelegeqe. So mina, it's a no for me. Uzomembarrassa lo. Guys, as we are still trying to understand these ladies, going forward to go episode 4, they will start to come out. But I appreciate you guys for always watching my channel. Gintanda over. Thank you.